Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video and welcome to my channel Shiv Kids Education, and today we're going to learn interesting hummingbird facts. Here are the interesting and important hummingbird facts for kids and children. Hummingbirds are New World birds found only in the Americas, mainly South America. There are more than 340 species of hummingbirds. Bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world at just 5 centimeters or 2 inches. They are called hummingbirds due to the sound created by the rapidly beating wings. A hummingbird's wings can flap on average around 50 times per second and can reach as high as 200 times per second. The hummingbird can hover, fly forwards, backwards, and even upside down. The hummingbirds have no sense of smell. While they can't sniff out feeders, they do have good color vision. Hummingbirds drink the nectar found in feeders by moving their tongue in and out about 13 times per second. They can consume up to double their body weight in a day. The hummingbirds drink the nectar of flowers, which gives them a good source of glucose energy. They will catch insects every now and again for a protein boost. The average weight of a hummingbird is less than a nickel. Their tiny legs are only used for perching and moving sideways while perched. They can't walk or hop. The average number of eggs laid by female hummingbirds is only 2. A hummingbird egg is smaller than a jelly bean. Hummingbirds lay the smallest eggs of all birds. The hummingbird's maximum forward flight speed is 30 miles per hour and 60 miles per hour in dive. Their heart rate is more than 1,200 beats per minute. During migration, they can fly 500 miles nonstop. The hummingbird can lick 10 to 15 times per second while feeding. They consume about half of their weight in sugar. Do you like hummingbird? Please find and comment your answers below. If you really like this video, then thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel Shiv Kids Education. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and keep watching. Bye. See you in next video.